I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
Hi everyone, hello universe, it's me again. Hello mga best, mayroon tayong upload videos, update, nako. Sa sobrang kayabangan ni Rocky mga kababayan. Natatawa talaga ako, no? Grabe ito, ito, no? Alam niyo si Atty. Rocky? Grabe ito panlala ito kay Pangulong Marcos Jr. At paninira niya, ano? Pero sabi ko nga, pag ang karma, habulin ka, hindi kanya talaga titigilan. Oh, 'di ba? Nag-apply siya ng asylum sa Dahek. Ito guys ang resulta. Basahin po natin para kumpleto detalyado guys. Shout out sa mga Marcos loyalists and supporters, Filipino and OFW. Ayan. Ito na. Ito guys, sabi po ng abogado, kortesya ng abogado ito, asylum denied. Rocky's asylum bid to Germany unclear if he was escorted out. Agay! June 12, 2025. Ano na, Rocky? Nga ka ngayon. Kala mo minamaliit mo ang Pangulo. Sige, tingnan nga natin. That's immigration authorities have reportedly concluded the asylum application of former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque and transferred his case to Germany, the country that issued his Schengen visa. Good. Oops. Grabe, lilipat sa ibang bansa, guys. Siyempre, makakarating na naman sa DOJ. Hindi ka rin talaga papalag doon, Ang lahat ng dokumento na isinabmit dyan sa Dahek, isasubmit din sa Germany. Diba? Tuloy, mga kababayan. This was revealed by Joel Biga, and Philippines-born Dutch national, citing an informant. Agay. According to Biga, the Dutch Immigration and Naturalization Service, which is IND, terminated Roque's application on June 10. Agay. And turned over his case records to German authorities. Ano ngayon? The IND concluded Roque's application on June 10 and forwarded the case to Germany. Talaga na. Sige nga. In accordance with the Dublin regulation, Biga wrote, because Germany issued the Schengen visa, they are now responsible for his case. He added, a Schengen visa allows non-EU citizens to visit the Schengen area, a group of 29 European countries, for short stays up to 90 days. Agay. These visas are primarily intended for tourism business or visiting family, and also allow transits through Schengen airport. Salaka, on the other hand, the Dublin regulation is an agreement between EU member states that determines which country is responsible for considering an asylum application. It remains unclear if Roque was escorted to Germany by Dutch police as typically required when transferring responsibility under EU deportation rule, Biga said. Agay. Roque had maintained in recent months that he could not be arrested while his asylum petition was under review. And with the Dutch process now closed, legal jurisdiction over his status shifts to Germany. Sige. Matabayan natin yan guys, Kung tawag dito, kung makalusot. Philippines authorities have confirmed they are working with the European agencies to seek Roque's return. Ayan, okay. Roque says a human trafficking case in the Philippines and is the subject of an arrest warrant issued by a local court. This is no confirmation yet whether Roque has filed for asylum in Germany. Calling the DOJ, kailangan nyo i-block yung kanyang pag-apply sa Germany para tuluyan ng uuwi sa Pilipinas ito, mga kababayan. Iniisa-isa niya na ang bansa. Ano na, mga kababayan, ano ang palagay nyo? Magko-cross country na naman ito. Ayan si abogado, Dutch immigration authorities have reported concluded the asylum application former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque and transferred his case to Germany, the country that issued his Schengen visa. Agay, na-deny. Kalabanin mo pang ang Pilipinas. Sige, Ito, tingnan nyo guys yung mga nagko-comment. Sabi dito guys yung mga nagko-comment. Okay, try in Germany. Baka doon kami bigyan ng asylum. Agay. Ayan pa isa. Hala, patay. Tingnan natin ngayon ang yabang mo. Agay. Ayan. Di ba? Shutay. Papaano? Na ite. Back to Philippinensis. Agay. Ayan. Lagot na si Butanding. Baka hindi na makatulog iyan. Sabihin niya idol ng tatay niya si Hell Forer. Agay. Uuwi na si Akla. Germany will cancel his Schengen visa. If the Philippines cancels his passport, then he will be deported. You can never outrun the law. Sabi nga, the law will catch up on you. Yeah, diba guys? You can run but you cannot hide. Diba? Kung ano man guys ang mga application or mga papilis na isinabit sa daig, kaya na-deny yung asylum niya. Baka siya rin ang ipapasa ng DOJ doon sa Germany. Oh my goodness. Tables turn. Hindi, fake news yan. Gaga. Fake news ba yan? Sinabi na abogado. Mag-research ka nga. Fake news ko, no? O, diba mga bes? Akla, uwi, Junakis, Chikinis. Chikinis ka kasi, bro ha. Agay. Pasipika, di falay. Ano sabi? Natatawa ako dito, agay. Sabi, ito guys, natatawa ako dito. Akla, uwi, Junakis, Chikinis, kakase, bruha, Pasipika, di falaypay. Nuloka na. Uwi na yan, father of fake news. Daming napaniwala niyan. Kaya nga mag-China ka na lang sakali para gawin kang sisig doon. Welcome home. Uwi na boy. Is the girl pala. Try Akham Asylum Gutam. Bring Roque home. Mas maganda ito si Roque guys. I-recommend ko mag-apply ng asylum sa North Korea. Naloko na. Ayan pa Ay, reminded. Agay. Naku, baka ma-German ka. Ay, ewan ko. Grabe talaga ng mga nagko-comment, guys. Natatawa ako. So, yun mga kababayan. So, yun mga bes. Ano po masasabi nyo kay Akla? Na-deny yung asylum niya. Kalabanin mo pa si Pangulong Marcos Jr. Ayan ang akala mo. Hindi mo alam ang kakayahan yan. Pangulo yan Palagay ko, si PNP Chief General Torre ang sasalubong sa kanya sa terminal, guys. Pupusasan ni General Torre. For sure yan, mga kababayan. Oy, Attorney Roque. Oy, akla. PNP Chief Roque, waving at you. Ay, nako, natatawa talaga ako rito. Yan nga sila, maniwala kayo guys sa karma. Karma is real. So, yan guys, ang aking pinaka-latest updates. Bye, 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 and babush. God bless Philippines. Follow me. Don't forget to like.